How to upscale video to 4K. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to upscale your video to 4K quality. Now, let's dive right in. The first method is using CapCut. It's super easy and completely free to use. First, you need to create a new project and upload your video. Add it to the timeline. Go to Adjustment and set the sharpen value to 100. Then, tap on Effects. Find the soft effect and add it to the timeline. Adjust the soft light value to 40. Once done, click Export, select 4K resolution, and change the bitrate from recommended to higher for better quality. When you're ready, go ahead and export your video. Here's a comparison between the original and the CapCut version. As you can see, although the resolution has been upscaled to 4K, CapCut doesn't do a great job at restoring fine details. So the result from CapCut isn't my favorite. The next method we'll look at is using HitPaw VikPea Video Enhancer. It's a paid tool, but it delivers excellent video enhancement results. First, download and install HitPaw VikPea, then launch it. Import your video. Select the enhanced model that best suits your video. And set the export resolution to 4K. You can preview the result. The video details have been perfectly recovered. Once satisfied, export the video. And that's the comparison of the result from CapCut and HitPaw VikPea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.